Happy Wealthfluential Wednesday. Today we are going to talk about forgiving yourself for your FICO score. Shame is a big part of how we deal with money, how we deal with our ability to repay our bills, our ability to manage our credit, and how we deal with our FICO score. So the first thing I want to say is that we believe in forgiving yourself for your FICO score. You see us posted on our social media all of the time. You have to forgive yourself for your FICO. Your FICO score does not represent who you are as a person, whether or not you have integrity, whether or not you're intelligent, whether or not you're trustworthy, whether or not you're good with money. You have to remember that the entire credit scoring platform is built on a predatory business. Yes, credit lending is predatory. Those creditors have been tracking you since the moment you were old enough to open your first account. Those of you who went to college, you remember being hounded and harassed, given a free t-shirt, 20% off your purchase, a free cup, a mug, a raffle ticket, just so that they could obtain your information and hopefully get you to sign up for a credit card. Did you ever wonder why, as soon as your credit score starts to creep up just a little bit, your mailbox gets flooded with invitations for you to take out credit? How about during times where you're not even credit worthy, you start to receive more mail? That is because creditors make more money off of you when they're able to get you to take out credit that they know you can't repay. I'm going to say that again. Creditors make more money off of you when they get you to take out credit that they know you cannot repay. So let's talk about some of the bigger creditor companies, right? They will give you 0% interest for balance transfers, 0% interest for a certain number of months. And they know full and well that when that 18 months is over, that 12 months, that 6 months is over, you're still going to have a balance with them. And they know that they'll be able to make money off of lending you money. Well, it's capitalism. What's the big deal, right? Not only do they pinpoint the exact times that you will be the most vulnerable to take them up on these offers, they also charge exorbitant late fees. They also have clauses written into their contracts that allows them to increase the original interest rate provided to you in the event that you're unable to make a payment. And they bet on you not being able to make a payment. They bet against their customers in order for them to make their money. So we know that the industry has been set up in a way to make money off of you. They want to continually charge you these interest fees, late fees, processing fees, annual fees, right? So that they can take your money. Now let's talk about credit reporting. Credit reporting is highly regulated. There are rules and regulations in regards to what can be on your credit report, how it gets on your credit report, and the responsibility of the credit bureaus to make sure that that information is accurate. And these are the same laws that we use to dispute items on your credit. Well, did you know that unless the creditor is specifically asked to, they are not making a huge effort to make sure that what they're reporting is accurate on your credit? And how does that impact you? Well, when you go to apply for a credit, if there is an error on your credit that has maybe brought your score down a few points, that costs you money in a forward interest rate in the future. So those creditors that you worked with before who are not really interested in making sure that you have the best credit score that accurately reflects who you are as a client, those creditors have negatively impacted your score. And now when you go to get new credit, those creditors can charge you more based on your low scores. This is why credit repair is so important. This is also why we are committed to educating our clients and the public in general on fair credit reporting laws, ways that you can keep your credit crispy clean, and the rights that you have as a consumer under the law. So we're going to do something that I don't know a lot of people do. We're going to give you guided, free, do-it-yourself credit repair. We invite you to join us next Wednesday at 9 p.m. for a real live, guided, free, do-it-yourself credit repair webinar. So once you click the link to register, we are going to get you set up with your 3 bureau credit reports and your 3 credit scores, right? There is a $1 fee, $1 for a 7-day trial to obtain that information. We want you to sign up. You're going to get it. You're going to download it. You're going to have it ready for our webinar on Wednesday at 9. On Wednesday at 9, we're going to get online. And because we believe in no shame when it comes to your credit score, we're going to pull up ours and we're going to walk you through how we read a credit report and specifically answer your questions in regards to what can I dispute, how do I dispute it, how do I word it, how do I set up my letters. We're going to give you the letters. You can take them, you can print them out, you can mail them, you can send them out to the credit bureaus. We're going to do all of that live next Wednesday because we believe in no shame around credit scores, forgiving ourselves for our FICOs, and we believe in standing up to the credit bureaus and to the creditors out there who have been predatory in their practices. And we want you to have the absolute best credit that you can. All right, this is a one-time live event. There's not going to be replays or anything like that. If you're available next Wednesday at 9, we want you to join us. You do have to register first. We do want to make sure you have your scores and your reports so that we can go through them. If you want, you'll also have the opportunity to get a credit audit report from us. This is a free report. We use it for all of our clients, and it is how we map out how we're going to help them fix their credit. If you have any questions, do not hesitate. DM us, message us. You can comment on this video. You can email us at myteam@wealthfluential.com. All right. Forgive yourself for your FICO score, but we can still fix it. Doesn't mean it needs to stay the same. And now let's get to work. Have a good day, guys. Bye.